Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an online Fidelity bond. Applying for a Fidelity bond online is the most efficient way to secure this crucial protection for your business. We will walk through each step, ensuring you understand the requirements and the benefits of this streamlined process. This guide will help you navigate the application with ease, saving you valuable time and effort. A Fidelity bond is essentially an insurance policy protecting your business from financial losses caused by dishonest acts of your employees. This includes theft, fraud, or embezzlement. It provides peace of mind, especially for companies handling client assets or large sums of money. Understanding its purpose is the first step towards securing your business's financial integrity. The online application process is straightforward. First, gather all necessary business information, including your legal name, address, and federal tax identification number. You will also need details about your employees and the desired bond amount, which can range from $10,000 to $1 million or more. Carefully fill out the online form, ensuring all information is accurate before submission. After submitting your application, approval is typically very fast, often within 1 or 2 business days. Once approved, your Fidelity bond will be issued electronically and sent directly to your email. You can then access and manage your bond documents through an online portal, making renewals and any necessary adjustments simple and convenient. This ensures continuous protection for your business.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.